Excited pa ba?
Yang pumangkon.
Excited pa ba? So excited
Muna
pa
ingat
tayo.
sa sandi.
Asming ano? Excited po tayo kung mo-share sa nganong naami sa Hispana. No? But before that one, I would like to
Ma'am, nakikita ko nga kung karoon ang
acknowledge
profile isa mga share.
the most
Ang
important
invite ka
person in my life. Pwede mo tindog ka my loves para makitaan. Asming ano? Siya mo tagiya sa mong account. Muna ako speaker again ko dito. So anyway, no, is Mentor Rob still here? Yes. Alright. So why I started with you guys with this live because I believe na wala man siguro ka na-invite na gabiyo na din kung walay ni doon ni mo, tama? Wala man siguro ka dire kung walay namugos ni mo. Tama ba? No, duha ka taong sigig pamugos na ko. Una is ang sigig pamugos sa una, pwede mo tindog si Mentor Randy? Ato siya kanina, asking anong taas kay siya energy. Siya mo yung recipient sa akong 15% lifetime. Imagine na lang ninyo, kailangan tawagan dito niya kay para at least mangutaran na siya, manawag siya ako. Kano sa ako mag-run. No? So, kailangan. So, and of course, I would like to acknowledge also because while seeing you guys and looking at the event, I realized one thing that this event is very important in terms of team support, right?
Yes.
And without Mentor, conceptualizing all these things, imagining, he uses his wildest imagination just to make this kind of event. I would like to say thank you so much, Mentor Frances. And I cannot imagine because of me and because of us, he gave up his 45 million job in United States of America just to help the Elite Team and the Elite Alliance. The visa family. So, grabe. No? So, wala na ko'y masulti gawa sa anak. Ano kayo hindi ko nga swerte gid kayo ta sa Bisaya pa na sa doon inay mo tapad swerte gid kayo ta na swerte gid ta na doon ato binisayon no kayo kay karang mudulot gid ba no so kaya pa ba mga 3 hours na ko dire kaya na tinuod okay no so kaya na so I'm Ronald Blanco and my wife is Junalie. No, and many of us, like, you heard already our story, no? Kami nagkakiyat pharmaceutical, right? Pero ako lagi kayo minahibala, kaya lately, ako na may sigito, isun sa background sa buhay. Napay mo na maestra din? No, so pwede ba muting doon ang mga maestra? Kaya kamo na next nga 8-star? Alright. No, I worked as a salesman in the last Kinsay salesman, taas ka mong salesman. Salesman. Kanang salesman, ang padulungan anak, minimum anak niya, dahil mo director, kay star mo ko niya, salesman. No, so salesman, and then, I worked in the last 10 years.
Last 6 months, pwede ka
And
rin.
I copied
Wala
with
naman
my
to.
brother Randy because I told my brother,
Tulo na ba?
which is the fastest way to have your own car. Sabi niya,
Mo bitutoy ko.
you have to be a mentor in order to have your
Ipalit ko
own
kayo,
car.
maikog ko, medians of cash.
So, to cut the long story short,
What is deliver ang
I climbed the ladder of
item?
success in the
Hindi ko
corporate
estudyante sa
world,
nasyon.
following my brother, got promoted 2 times a year and become a regional manager after 5 years of working so
timing na
hard.
nag-search ko
And then, nung naging regional manager ako, sabi ko,
3 weeks una i-deliver.
wala na akong makrime kasi if you're in the corporate world,
Yeah. Dali.
hindi naman pwede palitan ng boss. Tama ba, Dok?
Auto pag-umay.
No, so if you are not an investor in the company, hindi ka naman pwedeng maging owner. So what's next?
Una na ko.
So you want to be an
sila.
EVP?
Next batch na.
Hindi naman maging EVP kasi hindi nga siya owner hindi siya investor So I jump a plane without a parachute. That's what I describe with
working ang yapin na nam kani.
I quit my job way back in 2011. Why? Because with no savings,
Di mo kabalita. Ibang balita.
I evolved into a business. I registered a company with no savings. So sino dito may guts? May guts na mag-register sa company niya na walang savings. Taas kamay. Sino dito nag-start ng kumpanya niya na wala siyang savings? Or wala siyang money? Taas kamay.
Ako.
But actually, technically, hindi talaga walang pera kasi rental pa lang, kulangin yung 50,000 mo. Tama ba? Kaya nga, pagdating sa iyo sana yung pinag-usapan, hindi naman capital yung 50,000. Sa totoo lang, kasi sa totoo lang, if you cannot decide 50,000, how can you decide your future? Right? So, hindi 50,000 ang capital when you put up your own pharmaceutical company. But again, I decided to really build my own company because I really want to earn my first million before reaching at the age of 30 years old. Because that time I was 29 years old. So, I jumped a plane without a parachute again, like building my own pharmaceutical company, and it's true. With hard work, persistence, perseverance, all this positive attitude na mayroon ako when I was a salesman, I was able to build my company, lumaki din siya, but behind the camera, ang hindi natin alam is, sa tingin ninyo, which is better? Itong mukhang to na 29 years old o itong 41 years old? Ayun.
Ayun.
Ano eh? Sino? Sino mas ano? Mas bata?
Ayun.
So guys, kung hindi ka pa nag-iusana, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, dagdagan natin yung pagkabata ng mukha mo. No? So, grabe talaga. No? So, and I realized that, what I realized is that while in my journey in the pharmaceutical, we try to look at the people around in this company. Sabi ko, this is the reason behind why I built my company. Because aside from I really want to be a millionaire, I really want to help a lot of people. And it is already in my blood to desire to really to help. But what I realized after like building my company like for 2 years, 3 years, my company started to grow, and I can see also my people starting to grow. But in a very limited way. Because I only have like 12 medics plus home office employees, so meaning to say they're like 20s. And I believe I don't deserve to have 20 or even 50 or even 100. I deserve to impact and to change more lives for at least 1,000 people earning at least no less than $5,000 every single month. And dito ko nakita yan sa iyo sana. And thank you to my brother na tumawag sa akin, I can still remember, gusto mo ba ng negosyo, nagigising ka lang pagtapos ka ng matulog? Is that amazing business? Amazing business. A business that you will wake up only when you are done sleeping. Right? Amazing business. And sabi sa brother ko, what's that business? Sabi niya, vitamins. Wow! Vitamins is not, parang hindi siya malayo sa company ko, right? Kasi when you distribute pharmaceutical product, you have to have your own vitamins in your bodega. So sabi ko, okay, yes. And during the time also, I was struggling for my health in terms of my severe ulcer and of course, severe migraine. And my mother was diagnosed with insomnia for more than 15 years. Pag ang pamilya mo ba may sakit, masaya ka ba? Of course, naturally hindi, right? Pag ang pamilya mo suffering for 15 years in that certain disease, then you are partly part of the medical field because we talk with doctors, we talk with medical doctors, we visit hospitals and pharmacies. And yet, wala kang magawa. Right? So imagine mo my brother, my mother, every time we go home, and sabi ng mother ko, sakit yung ulo ko kasi wala akong tulog kagabi kasi insomnia siya. And na-realize ko, sabi ko, marami naman akong vitamins sa binigay niya because when you talk of like hindi makatulog, diba sa atin kadalasan, kulang ng iron yan, tama ba? Sa totoo lang, hindi. Kasi yung mother ko, grabe talaga, yung katawan niya parang sira talaga kasi we are eight in the family. So binuhay kami nila and they are both of them, my father and my mother, farmers sila. So binuhay nila kami 8. Imagine mo gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan ng mother ko. And me as a medical representative, as a pharmaceutical owner, wala akong magawa para matulungan ang parents ko. And when I introduced this product, Usana, to my mother, guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not saying gumaling siya doon, pero wala akong magawa kasi yun lang yung dahilan that in 2 weeks time, bumalik yung tulong niya na the last 15 years hindi niya nakuha. So saan ko i-credit yun? So grabe talaga yung impact ng product and I do believe that if the products are good, do you believe that the business also is good?
Yes.
Of course, right? So sabi ko ng wife ko, and then that's the time that my wife and I keep on sharing in my small town in Pagadian, sharing Usana, non-stop sharing Usana with, kailan ba yung population ng Pagadian compared to Cebu? Cebu has like 5 million. The entire province of Cebu, Pagadian, how much? 100,000 population? So meaning Usana is not about the number of people na kailangan mapag-share natin. But it's about what? It's about the people who believe in our product, who will become our loyal customer, who will take the Usana products. That's how you earn in Usana. Meaning to say, yun pa lang, you're giving an impact in their health. Nakuha natin? And then, to cut the long story short, when you become board directors, of course, lahat ng mga babae dito, sino ba naman mga babae na ayaw aakyat ng MOA, ayaw aakyat ng SMX, ayaw aakyat ng paakyat din sa stage para mag-gown. Gusto natin yan, right? Yung mga babae, gusto or gusto?
Gustong gusto.
Gusto. Pero yung mga lalaki, hindi natin gusto. Iwan ko lang pag lalaki, gustong-gusto din. Okay lang yun yan. No, but physically, hindi natin gusto. So to cut the long story short, we rally Usana, we share Usana from everywhere in Visayas and Mindanao. And that brought us here to be an 8-star Diamond Director in Usana. It's the only 8-star Diamond Director in Usana, Philippines. So you might be asking me, why? Like, you are because most of us, majority, when you have a job, when you become manager, di ba ayaw natin makipag-entertain ng ibang business opportunity, or ayaw ko niyan. Tama naman talaga. Especially in this kind of so-called network marketing or MLM, tama? Ayaw natin eh. When you become a business owner, ayaw natin kasi tingin natin maliit, right? Tingin natin, para saan yan? Pero I also believe that every business person desire to have another business in the future. Tama? Kasi pag magdadami yung pera natin, of course, mag-franchise tayo ng mga magandang restaurant. Tama ba? Not to really invest our money para mas lalaki pa siya. So why Usana? Gusto ba niyo malaman bakit Usana? Yung iba wala ng energy. Alam mo, matagal ako matapos pag walang energy. Gusto ba natin?
Yes!
Why Usana? Number one is that this is founded by us scientists. And kadalasan ng mga tao na nag-view Usana, ngayon, kadalasan hindi naman sila positive sa umpisa. Because we are bombarded with many companies. But tanong ko sa inyo guys, ibahin ninyo si Usana. Ano yung bakit? This is founded by a scientist and I see personally the laboratory in Usana. I see Dr. Wentz in the US. And aside from seeing Dr. Wentz, I talk personally Dr. Wentz when we are in the Asia Pacific Convention. Kamu din pala pagkakanan si Dr. Wentz. Kumusta yung English ko dyan? Sabi na natin. Yan. Guys, he is a real person! Palakpakan natin si Dr. Wentz. Ayan, just recently, just last April in South Korea. No? So, grabe no, how come an 84-year years old. 84 years old. Thank you, Ma'am Cherry, for allowing us and bringing us in front of Dr. Waynes. And I told Doc Delgado, hindi pa kami tapos. One day, makipag-wine glass ako kay Dr. Waynes when we become the top 10 distributor in the whole USANA world. So guys, why USANA? You want to know more? Yes! Of course, this one. I would like to borrow, this is coming from the corporate, and why this is very important to me, if you try to look at this one, where can you find a company? If you are now in Lao, if the company like USANA can survive, guys, even USANA or not USANA, if the company is not investing on research, dapat matakot ka. Ask me bakit? Eventually, that company, hindi talaga mag-survive yan. It will be disruptive from any time from now. Madi-disrupt yan. But USANA invested in research alone, 10.6 million per year to be exact. Binigay niya sa research to improve and develop the product for the people. Pinalakpakan yan. Kaya nga, in 2020, product sold worldwide 2020, and the 2020, product recalls in the last 30 years for now, 28 years dati, no product recall. Why I include this one? Palakpakan natin, no product recall. Bakit question yan? Because a lot of multinational company out there, they are the best. But you heard also a lot of product recalls in their companies. USANA, wala siyang product recalls. And the reason behind that is that Dr. Waynes, ang mindset niya, zero tolerance for error. Zero tolerance for error ang mindset ni Dr. Waynes. And hindi pwede na may product recall tayo kasi imagine mo, kinain na sa tao, halimbawa, lumabas yung isang batch, naubos na, pang-5 batch na, and you found out may product defect pala, tapos nakain mo na. Nakuha natin? No, so grabe ang company natin. So number 2, why USANA? Why USANA? Because of a very stable compensation plan and excellent management team. And to attest with that it's really an excellent managed team, pwede ba tatayo ang corporate team para makita lang, makilala lang ang ano? Here, guys! The 3 pillars of USANA Philippines. Come on, guys! Palakpakan natin! Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming. And personally, I meet people in USANA. The chief executive chairman of the board, I talked personally with the chief chairman of the board. And I also talked with the new CEO right now, Jim Brown. And Sir Jim, according to Sir Jim Brown, this is Sir Jim Brown, sabi niya, when we are in San Francisco, sabi niya, in every decision making, in every decision that they make in the lab, in marketing, in anything in USANA, anong ginawa nila? Ano yung ano? They always consider the distributors in the field because we are the direct customers of USANA. That how this decision making, how this decision affect the distributor in the field. Is that amazing? Yes. Amazing company, right? So, aside from that one, why excellent? Because if you try to look at sales in USANA, in 25 market right now, by the way, if you have an Indian friend, we open USANA just this month in USANA, India.
Yes!
Right? And of course, this is not a $1 million company. This is a multi-billion dollar company. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, malaki pala to, multi-billion dollar company. Ito siya billion peso, right? So yon. And pag may nagtanong sa inyo, if this company mawala ka, if you invested in NYSE with a record of zero debts, ibig sabihin, Darating pa yung time magkautang siya. Saka siya magsara. If someone will question to you guys in the field when you go home, sabihin mo, if this is NYSC, meaning to say it is audited, validated internally and externally for the public. Kaya pinalampakan niya yung sana. Right? And why it's excellent? Of all the values, and this is one of the best in this company, because this is a company guided with the very strong values of excellence, health, integrity, and of course, community. There are a lot of opportunities outside. In my pharmaceutical, it can be successful, it can be rich. There are a lot of opportunity out there. Opportunities that maybe you can be also be successful, like you become rich, right? Kasi yun naman talaga yung objective natin. Tama ba? Gusto natin na sinso, but where can you find an opportunity like this na habang ginagawa mo siya, activity mo siya ginagawa, imagine mo, kasama na yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay ng mga advocacy. We were able to visit the hospital of Dr. Wens in Cambodia for the poorest of the poor in Cambodia, serving people in Cambodia. So imagine mo yung founder natin. And when we are in that in Cambodia, sabi ko ni Junaline, yun yung gusto ko sa mga anak ko eh. That's my wildest dream that one day we will be traveling, serving the world. Hindi mo na namin pinoblema ang pera, kundi to travel kami para namigay kami sa mga tao dapat tulungan. And for me, walang mas noble pa sa ganyan na gagawin natin yan. Not for that, we're not working for money and to earn money and just give back a little bit of that money to the poor. Why you not make it the most of it na kailangan, pwede ba natin gawin na buong buhay mo nag-travel ka lang para mabigay? Pwede ba yan? Pwede, right? So in Cebu, we're doing giving back program, even 2022. So this is one of the values in USANA that sometimes, because if you attract customers like you join us because you earn dollars, yeah, it's good. But if you try to attract high-profile clients, you need to tell them more than money. You need to tell them more than the money that they can get in this business, right? So service week, and of course, ayaw naman natin na mag-iusana tayo tapos wala tayong income, tama ba? Sino ba naman kung mag-iusana na walang income? It's difficult to invest our 4 hours time here in this room without knowing where we are going, heading to anywhere else, right? So, talking of 6 ways to earn in USANA. And I would like to say, whatever income na ipakita ko dito, this is just a sample, and please don't post it to social media. So for example, like you become gold director, because this is my wildest dream, to create at least 1,000 leaders na kumikita ng $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week. If you try to connect with what Mentor Rob, yung sinishare niya kanina, to be rich, you need to reach at least 200,000 income every single month. So this answers the question that how can I earn $1,000 every single week or 200,000 per month? So you become gold director sa USANA. So dito sa room na to, pwede ba tatayo lahat ng mga gold directors na the gold directors na guys, tingnan ninyo sila guys. Gold directors na diba ang dami nila? Like 10% of the people, okay, you can sit down, they are gold directors. And imagine mo, gold directors to ruby, to emerald, to diamond, to 1 star, and then you become like an 8-star diamond director in USANA. How much sample income? You want to know? Yes. Sample income, and for your eyes only. For sample income of being an 8-star, because that is my run into an 8-star diamond director in USANA. So, okay ba naman yung income yan? Ha? Yung iba, hindi makahinga, no? Pero, okay na yan. Pwede na yan. Pag nasa Cebu ka, ganyan yung income mo, right? So why I'm sharing this one? Because it's very hard to believe, like, kikita ba tayo dyan? Yung business mo nasa cellphone lang? Tama ba? Commission, leadership bonus, lifetime matching bonus, EO reward, elite bonus. Imagine mo, and that is weekly, kapatid. So, and everyone in this room, alam ba ninyo na may chance tayo na magka-income ng ganito? Remember the story, I was the downline of Mentor Randy Blanco. I am an A-star. He is a Ruby. Not to ano, but to explain the complan. That's how the complans work. Imagine mo, this is what possible to us guys. And imagine mo the opportunity, the ocean is very blue. In Yusana. Kaya sabihin mo sa katinggoy mo, Yusana na ta!
Yusana na ta.
Yusana na ta. No? And train travels. Of course, gustong-gusto ng asawa mo yung mag-travel. Kung gusto man niya mag-travel, di gusto ko na rin. Tama ba? No? Alam nga naman, iba yung kasama niya. No? So, gusto niya mag-travel, so gusto ko na rin yung travel. So, never in our wildest dream na sa edad namin mag-cruise ship. Kasi para sa akin, cruise ship. Ang nalaman ko, bago Osamis to Cebu, that this is a different experience, kapatid. This is a different experience. Yan, yung picture na yan. Saan yan? Maldives. Sabi ko, artista lang naman yung pumunta ng Maldives. Pero grabe ito si Ma'am Cherry. Binook tayo sa mga lugar na pinuntahan ng mga artista. Ay, grabe talaga yan, no? And of course, yan, yung mga pupunta sa lugar na yan, Justin Bieber, Pacquiao, Marcos, because that is in Burang-Burang, Tahiti. So, gusto ng asawa ko yan, ang maganda, imposible mag-away kayo. Mahal kayo dyan, doon kayo mag-away. Right? So, imagine mo na opportunity na mayroon tayo. And of course, a chance, then, for us pa. For a small traditional business owner, we never dreamed to be in Maldives, to be in cruise ship, to be in Burang-Burang, Tahiti, to be in what? Saan yan? Eh, bakit pumunta tayo dyan sa New York? No? And natupad yung pangarap ng asawa ko na doon siya sa Brooklyn Bridge and kumanta siya niya. Kanta na. Ano kanta niyo? Oh, di ba? Ang ganda yung kumanta. In New York. Di ba? No? And then, of course, Peru. So, bakit ito? 6 weeks to earn, right? Weekly commission. Ano ba? Leadership bonus. Matching bonus.
Travels.
Your reward. Elite bonus. Travel. Travel. Tingnan niyo yung asawa ko sa travel. O yan. Guys, palakpakan niyo yung asawa ko dyan, ha? O, grabe yan. Tingnan natin yung solution niya. Ayan. Wow! Ayan. Grabe talaga. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, kung may pera na, kaya naman puntahan sa Japan, kaya naman. Pero ang na-realize ko lang, just recently, like pumunta kami ng cruise, sabi ko, ibang pag-Yusana family ang kasama mo. Tama?
Yeah.
Ibang pag-Yusana family kasi grabe, in-arrange lahat ni Ma'am Joyce, Ma'am Mitch, Ma'am Cherry ang trip namin. And imagine mo, sabi ko, pag kami ng pamilya pumunta ng cruise, pwede naman kasi may income naman yung ano. Pero sa totoo lang, kami lang, nandun sa fine dining. Ibang pag-Yusana kasi kitang-kita mo yung team mo na we are almost 300 in the Elite and the Elite Alliance na pumunta doon sa cruise ship na yan. So, grabe. And leverage income is very important to us. Now, most of the people, bakit ko sinare yan leverage income? Leverage income. Sometimes in our company, when we travel, pag-uwi namin, ang daming problema. Nung pumunta ako ng Maldives, pag-uwi ko dito, ano nangyari? Ano sa tingin ninyo? Sa akin to ha, iwan ko sa inyong company, pero sa akin to. Nung umuwi ako dito, pumunta kami ng Maldives, and I can still remember the time, Jonalyn, nag-enjoy sa beach, ako nasa restaurant. Ilan yung internet niyo dito? Amin bahay, kahit tumawag ka, nag-online ka. Grabe, daming problema kasi during the time na sa Maldives kami, part-time ako. And yung pagiging Ruby director na kami nakuha namin yung Maldives. But imagine guys, the headaches and the problems when we go home. Dumami. Nawala yung tao ko, nabangga yung sasakyan niya. So imagine all those problems, i-carry mo. So the longer I stay outside abroad, the more problems when I go back. Sino makarelate dito ng mga negosyante? Grabe, no? So sabi ko, mahirap. But ito different, right? We traveled the whole 45 days in the US. I'm not saying you replace your traditional business with USANA. You just sign up if you want. You just sign up. Imagine mo, nasa US ka, but yung income mo pag-uwi, kasi 1 month kami talaga sa US, but yung income mo, kahit nasa Amerika ka 45 days, yun pa rin yung income mo pag-uwi. And here's the catch. Ask me what's the good news. The good news is this. Di ba wala naman akong i-repair na problema because every business units, every team, every leader you have, they take charge, right? Yes. And the umbrella, the team support, siya yung nag-support, right? Siya yung parang gumawa ng mga event. Imagine mo, pag nasa US ka, pag-uwi mo, jet lag ka, tama? So halos, recovery mode ako that time, imagine mo, you can just relax for a month. Wala kang gagawin. Kasi, jet lag ka eh. Alam nga naman, lalabas ka, jet lag ka, makayos ka ng mga problema. So, that is how powerful is our company in Sana. That is the power of this iPhone system, kapatid. It's all in this iPhone, ang business natin. Generous compensation plan? Yes. Why? Because again, sino ba naman company? What I know is that every time I trip on Sana, tama ba Ma'am Joyce, na 1 year or a month or previous months, binabayaran na yan yung Sana. 50% or I don't know how much the percent. But imagine mo, itong to, arrange na itong mga trip na to. At sabi ko, bakit may cash option pa? Nasabi ko, grabe naman, pwede talaga yung Sana kasi Sana really take good care of you because they know that you deserve to be treated and to be valued. And that's what I feel in this company. You are being valued as a person. Your hard work is binigyan talagang halaga ninyo sana an option to cash out around $25,000 for the trip alone because nasa Growth 25 kami or EDS yung isa. Guys, pinalampakan yung Yusana na yan. Second to the last. This is very important. The reason why we Mentor Rob and I sleepless night to design a team support that will support you guys and that will sustain. Ang tawag dito, team support, the dynamic of the team support. It is very important. That's why we call it the alliance because the goal is to bring more people in Yusana and the goal is to bring more people become successful in Yusana. Team support. In my company, I was also helping my employee like, of course, right? When I do a meeting in my employee, sasabihin ko sa kanila, let's build this company because this is our company, right? We have the company. But it's different here. The first partners that I have in this business are my family. Pwede ba tatayo yung pamilya ko dito? Lalo na yung Mentor Jen and Mentor Jubali, Mentor Aya and Mentor Iman, Mentor Ria, Mentor Randy. Of course, nandyan si Ruela, nandyan si Ronaldin. So lahat ng pamilya ko dito sa iyo sana, nabigyan ko ng opportunity. Guys, okay, let's sit down. Talapakan natin yung opportunity na yan. Hindi na ka makakita ng opportunity na ganyan, right? While helping yourself to be successful, dinala mo na siya. In a different profession, tulungan mo na yung sarili mo, saka mo sila madala. Dito, pwede tayo sabay-sabay. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
And guys, feedback for you. This lady and Mentor Randy is the one who sent me to college. And I never had a chance to really pay back my sister until this came. And sinadya ko yun na parang hindi ko pumunta sa trip na yan. I have a ticket. But a part of it, I really want them to experience and feel that they are special. Sila yung pinapunta ko doon, si Kuya Rodney ko, at saka si Ate Will ko. Kasi mentorante sa lot of travels. But my ate, working in the traditional job, the brother is silver director si sana. So, sabi ko, hindi na ako sasabay. And saan ka makakita ng opportunity na ganito, na hindi pa nang mabigyan ko lang sila ng, kung sa atin, traditional in Pilipinos, di ba? Bigyan lang ng ulam. Okay na, bigyan ng ulam every week. For me, we can do more than that one, guys. I would like to challenge everyone in this room, if mayroon nag-impact sa inyo, kung saan kayo ngayon, try to give back. Try to pay back to them. Maybe your auntie, maybe your loved ones, maybe your mother, your father. And talking of giving back, my parents, mother and father, enjoying in Vietnam cruise with Mentor Jonalim. Masaya ba sila? Tingin nyo? Napakasaya na, sa totoo lang. Because I grew up in a very humble beginning. My father is a farmer in the last 73 years in his life. How come that father did not dream to be in the cruise somehow, right? But why last month they are in the cruise ship? Aside from health, they enjoy life together. And for me, there is money cannot buy this one. I could be successful in the opportunities na mayroon kami. May pharmaceutical. For example, say, super rich. At yung sana really changes na gaya. Sorry guys. Di ko lang matiis. Tanyo bakit? Mas labing pa sila kaysa amin. Joke lang, but I mean, they have the best pictures, they have the best photo, meaning they enjoy a lot. If you try to follow the Facebook of my mother, he is updating it every single day. Different posts or different position in the cruise. And of course, the people who believe in you. Some are pessimistic, maybe they will not follow you today, they will say no, ayaw nila. Huwag mo lang silang kawain, that's my secret. They will not follow you now because you have no result. Maybe they have a bad experience in other network marketing company. But guys, this is Usana. And would you imagine, pwede tatayo itong mga to, nandito ba to? Giovanni, an Emerald Director, Mentor Eddie, Diamond Director, my previous boss. I am directly reporting with Mentor Gwen, now Ruby Director, of course, Rodel Porgueras, Ruby Director, and of course, Mentor Owen, our new Diamond Director by January. No? So, yun yung mga natin. Because, itong mga to, yung mga tao na naniwala sa iyo, this is more than money. Because I can find money in my company. But seeing this person from where they are to where they are now, it's a different story. It's a different story. Where's Rolly? Can you stand up, Rolly? Our Diamond Director in Cagayan. Kasama ko sa sales dati, where is Candid? Kasama ko sa, of course, there are Samis, very, The first roadshow na nag-attend siya, very negative, but we didn't give up. Sino pa ba? Eddie is our Diamond Director. Here. Mentor Tony, Mentor Chico, Mentor Iman. They are here, guys. If this is not true, wala na yung mga tao na yun. Tama ba? So sabihin mo sa katabi mo, tama talaga to! Sabihin mo with conviction, tama talaga to!
Tama talaga to.
And the last but not the least is building a business that can transfer to next generation. Why? It so happened that Mentor Randy and I, my brother influenced me a lot in terms of growth. We attended like the National Achievers Congress, attended by Pinjun, Robert Kiyosaki, and this is what happened during the presentation. Sabi doon, when you enter a business, dapat daw profitable. Profitable ba ang sana? Of course, you buy the product today, wala namang mawala sa'yo, you buy the product, right? Hindi naman siguro mahirap pag-desisyonan yung 50,000. Tama ba? Kasi hindi naman tayo tatayo ng bahay na kailangan pang maraming tao mag-decide saan nilagay yung kusina. Tama? Scalable ba yung sana? Very easy to scale. 3 business centers, you get in your iPhone, right? Very easy. Kakausap lang naman tao. Portable ba yung sana? Of course. I tested it. Kahit saan, dala na lang yung business mo. Hindi to galing ng sana. This is coming from the National Achievers Congress in 2018 when we attended. Ano pa ba? Borderless pa. Do I need to go to Bugu just to enroll? No boundaries, right? Sorry. What else? Seamless pa. Pwede ba ako mag-enroll ng taga-Yusana Singapore, Canada, Australia, United States? Pwede o pwede? Pwede. Enjoyable ba yung Yusana? Of course. Calamity proof ba yung Yusana? Of course. During the event in Cebu, wala kaming ibang magawa. When everybody is in panic, we fly to Cagayan de Oro because we have the team in Cagayan. Bakit pa ako makisaw-saw dito na magpila sa mga gasolinahan? Hindi nagdagdagan na punanan ang stress ang city. Tama ba? And of course, recession proof. It was the only company for me, especially in our industry, who thrived a lot during the pandemic, even the time of crisis, is Yusana. Kaya and of course, very important to me, and why build for something na hindi ko naman mapasa. Do you like to build something na hindi mo naman mapasa? Of course, no-brainer yan. Bakit ka mag-build ng something na alam mo naman, in the end, wala naman matutuman, hindi naman mapasa yan. Tama? Hindi naman ma-inherit. So, Yusana is inheritable business. The business center, the bank account, the title, the rank, everything mapa-inherit mo sa anak mo. Look at the story of this person. Like Bob, Mary, Amy, and Shanlin. The mother started a business in Australia. Right now, imagine mo, the mother is still involved in Yusana, doing, organizing, because we do an interview with this lady, Mary. They are now the one who organize parties, celebrate parties, Mary do it, and of course, nakausap namin yung Mentor General sa US. Guys, this is our future. You build Yusana today, because even though hindi ka mag-build in Yusana, the time will pass anyway. Tama ba? No, so imagine mo, nung na-meet ko yung mga tao dito si Healing Song, studied Yusana at 1 star. Right now, they are the new 9-star Diamond Director. From 1 star to 9 star, nalulot ni Helen yung account nila. So, para sa akin, bakit ko ito i-build? The same. When we joined in 2013, Mary Aliana, still 1-year-old, the time. Tulog. Ayan. Minsan, kasi minsan nasasaktan tayo when we started in this business. Ay, sayang, yung anak ko, kawawa, nandun sa bahay, ganyan, hindi mo sila mapagano. But guys, do you think it's worth Do you think it's worth to build Usana when you realize that one day they will inherit the account that you have, and you build a business like this? Do you think it's worth it? Worth ba yung mga pagod namin, mga paghihirap namin, yung nasaktan kami yung mga anak namin na iwan namin sa umpisa? Is that worth? Worth. Yeah, it's worth because today, it's an incorporated business. It's them to continue when we reach like 30 star, 35 star, whatever stars na mabuild namin sa Usana, they will continue to prosper the business. Because I believe Usana will stay. Usana can outlive all of us. Right? From the business owner, the star business owner, there's only one common situation in every business person. Pressure, right? But pipiliin ko pa rin na pressurein ako na alam ko that in the future, ma-pressure man ako, healthy ako, and ma-transform ako na maging ganito. Nothing is more important. Kaya naman, traditional ko, pressure ako. Dito, pressure ako. Dito, maybe pressure ako because I am a goal getter. Kung tingnan mo, habang napipressure ka, hindi naman lumago yung mukha mo, right? Tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung na-pressure ba yan. So, ganyan lang yung sana. If dati, ganito ako, ganyan ako talaga eh. Pag boss ka, may keyboard ka, ganyan, ang ganda ng keyboard. You are the CEO, right? But what is the difference in Usana? Everywhere is my office. I can do an office there, I can go to Starbucks, I can go to Waterfront. Everywhere, I have my office. So who is rich right now? The pharmaceutical or Usana? It's Usana. Because nothing is more important than time with my family. Do you think that they have achieved success in Usana? You think?
Yes.
What is more? But why you keep on grinding? Why you keep on putting pressure too much on myself? Number one, it's because of you guys. Because we really want to have you guys. And this is my wildest dream. And for some people, they will say, it's crazy. Or sabihin mo, pakialamero. Or sabihin mo, ay, uwi naman. Right? But this is my wildest dream. And pinilit lang yung mga tao kung pinagsabihan ko dito. Kayo lang yan na nandito sa room na to. Bakit? Kasi sometimes pinagtawanan ka pag nangarap ka ng napakarating pangarap. Tama? Tama. Sino
Tama.
dito na-try na mag-dream ng napakalaki and then pinagtawanan ka? Sino? Sino? Kahit hindi nyo sana yung dream mo. When you have a huge dream. I talked with Dr. Delgado. Sabi niya, I have a dream to have my own cancer institute hospital. Hindi ko na sinabi sa kanya, but I told myself, this guy is my partner in my dreams. Why? Because I have a dream. My dream is to have the school for the poorest of the poor. I'm not competing against the government because government will do their job. But when I realized school is not the problem, I think the real problem is that, di ba imagine mo yung mga bata, pag pinadala mo sa school, what will happen? They will go back in their own
Nurut na.
proximity. What will happen? Same. They go to school, they go back to proximity. Why not have a school? School for the poor. I-house mo yung mga bata niya, like naka-board and lodging nga. Financed by your own income. That is a crazy dream, the wildest dream, but I will never stop until I'm done. What else? A dream to have my own hospital. A holistic hospital for the poorest of the poor. Why? I am a Medley in the last 10 years in my life. I see patients in the ER, cannot do the down payment, cannot do anything. And what will happen? Halos mamatay na lang kasi hindi mo operahan. Tama? Again, I'm not competing, But this is my wildest dream. And every one of us in this room has the chance to declare also your wildest dreams. Guys, don't limit yourself in terms of your dreams. Habang may buhay tayo, may pag-asa tayong mangarap, and i-realize yung dream na yan dahil may yusanan tayo. So guys, do you believe in your dreams?
Yes!
If you believe in your dreams, I also believe that you can achieve your dreams. So, Mentor of Manay and the rest of the pillars of the elite and the management team will continue to support your dreams and vision. So thank you so much, and God bless everyone.